Gotowa prędkość minimalna, to są około 30 sekund natarcia. Eurofighter Typhoon the Airport Academy in 1995. Here is the brief release for the called alpha roll, performed by applying a full lateral stick. This shows how the Eurofighter 2000 is handled within very short space, with great fluidity and harmony of movements, with wide angles of attack. In the next high-performance turn, we have the aircraft as if it's in fighting assets. Wings at 90 degrees with the ground, the G-factor is 9. But suddenly, with a half roll, the Schneider becomes inverted. And now the pilot feels literally like being pulled out from the cabin to -3G effect. This was surely one of the rare chances to take a glance of the Typhoon cockpit from an unusual perspective. Stabilize, closing this another turn and flying again towards the crowd. Now with a vertical pull up, the two engine thrust in a maximum rate bring Major Luca Campello up to this moment the Eurofighter show its incredible capabilities to fly. In space we're having a vertical speed of about 200 meters per second, and now they're descending in high alpha speed. Typhoon 2010 demo program, the slow flight, to offer a wide operational capability and fearless effectiveness in the sector of the air defense. Once again, in an alpha roll in which you can see the aircraft turning in a very, very small space. This kind of turning is performed only by aircraft with a particular aerodynamic design, flying towards the display line center from the right to the left with a little bit nose up, him to join the sight of this wonderful public before running up his engines again. It's quite impressive how as soon as he reaches the middle of the display, which there's a constant increasing of speed and G factor, starting from 200 knots and 2G up to 6 in this turn. And now in front of you from left to right. sliding. This allows a sudden change of direction. In this occasion, it will keep him ready for the last flyover. Major Luca Campello with his Typhoon is ready to perform an important test. Try to figure out the pilot cannot see the runway, cannot see anything else but altitude, constantly checked. You're going to see the Typhoon slowing down and fly at this low speed value after all those incredible aerobatics with engines in idle position, making any noise. Ladies and gentlemen, the Typhoon of the Italian Air Force Flight Center is about to touch down on the ground. Touchdown speed is only 110 knots. And Major Luca Campello controls the airplane, and this 17 tons aircraft is safely on the ground. So ladies and gentlemen, the landing